Hey guys, we're watching Volgor's videos. In this video I got a Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. Found this on the side of the road. It was a curbside find. Yeah, I was going to make a video a while ago, but I kept on finding other vacuums and this one kept on getting pushed aside. So yeah, now I'm going to make a video on it. It's a very interesting design. Let me dump the cup in this bowl. Okay, so here's the bin. It looks like it has 4 cyclones, and it was really terrible shape, really filthy shape when I got it. Since then, I washed the bin as much as I could, rinsed out the filters. They were really bad. I did not clean underneath there though. Didn't get that far. Come on. There we go. Here's the brush roll. The bristles are kind of soft. Actually, very soft. Yeah, it's got a lot of schmutz on the brush roll. Really gross. Tangle free, it says. Has an old school, just single bar for the brush roll here. Vacuum cleaner. Model 16501. Only 8.5 amps. That's not a whole lot of amperage. So yeah, there's that. Oh, to get under here, you have to take a screwdriver. Yeah. And if I would have cleaned that roller, it probably would help with performance. But anyway, I don't feel like doing that right now. So the reason why the people threw it away was, reason one was the handle broke, so now it looks kind of funny, like a cane. And they vacuumed up something wet, so it was really nasty, and they were too lazy to clean it. So now I got it. So here's the power button. That one activates the roller. And this one, you got a knob for floor or hose. So with those really soft bristles, you really have to put adjust the carpet low for it to really do anything. And it just seems that it's not a loud vacuum, but it doesn't really feel like it's doing a really deep cleaning. I discovered this after I vacuumed my house a couple times with it. And then I looked down the cup, the dustbin, and then it looked like it didn't really clean a whole lot. It didn't really look like it picked up all that much.
thing, which it kind of swivels. It's more like a pivot more than a swivel, but it, you know, does help. Oh yeah, and the wand comes out. Kind of weird. It's got like a slit right there. So, where'd I put the scale? Right here. Let's weigh what I picked up. So on zero it in with the plate, 0.4 ounce. And then when I dump the bin, it got some fine stuff. Now this is just a demo, as in, or a clean sweep, what do you want to call it? Natural. Just going over with this machine, it looked like it was it went over twice. Because then when I went over first time, I was on 3, and then I put it back down on 2, and it didn't even pick up enough to register on a scale. So there's that, but it did pick up stuff. So if I set that down, actually, let's just dump that in that. Now let's see, compare with how about that Hoover wind tunnel rewind? So yeah, with this Bissell, I'm kind of, what's the word? Unimpressed. They sell them for like $200, $229, $230, and it just seems like this doesn't really do that well. It seems like the older Bissell with the stiffer oblique brush roll did a heck of a lot better. Make sure the bin's empty. Which it wasn't. Okay.
need to clean that filter on this one. Look at the vacuum lines with this one. Way better. Alright, let's see if we picked up enough to register on the scale. .40. Now to carefully dump this. Looks like I got some carpet material. Looks like that's as much as I can get. But, as you can clearly tell, I vacuumed up more stuff than that Bissell did, so this one's clearly better than this one. And this one's just way cheaper. This is the bottom of the barrel hoover. Well, you know, one of the cheaper models. Just has a single clone. It doesn't have the extra wind channel here, but yeah, I'm fairly impressed. Okay, I guess that's not enough to register on the scale, damn it. That was really awesome. How about a vacuum that has a built-in scale? There's an idea. Well, shoot. It's not enough to register on a scale, but clearly... Okay. It almost came up. Damn. Clearly I picked up more stuff than the Bissell, so ta-da, we have a winner.